If you are running out of space on your personal storage device or in the cloud, and you would like to compress your image files without losing any quality, you might want to look at converting your images into a WebP format. As you can see here on my screen right now, I have two images, image 4. One is a WebP image and the other one is just a normal JPEG file. The image that's a JPEG file right now is 4.31 megabytes, but the image that is the WebP image is 1.11 megabytes. So that's a huge savings when you're talking about a lot of different images. So let's look at how to convert a JPEG or a PNG image into a WebP format. So the first thing we'll need to do is actually download a program called ffmpeg. And to do that, all you have to do is open up a command line, which is cmd. You can do that by hitting your Windows key and R and then typing in cmd equals. That's probably the easiest way to get to it. The next thing you want to do is, I always like getting into the folder that I am going to be working with. And so that is just going to be this test folder. And then let's actually just go ahead and delete this folder here. So we have, let's see, 4 images. We have 2 JPEG files and we have 2 PNG images. And so we can actually convert both of these all at one shot, but we're going to do just a one-off right now, and then we can figure out how to do a bulk, all the files all at one time. So the first thing that we need to do is do a win get install ffmpeg. This is going to download here really quick. I already have it installed, so we should be good there. Now, the other thing that we need to do is just make sure the version is up to date, which it is. We're running 15, so we should be good on there. And now what we can do is we can grab one of these images and we can convert this. So this right here, this image 1 is the one that we're going to do. So we are going to do an ffmpeg-i, and then we're going to do image1.png, and we're going to name it image1.webp, and then we'll hit enter. So that got done. We'll minimize this quick, and we will bring up our test folder. So there's our WebP image. So if we do a right click and if we do a properties on this guy, we can see this one was 293K. And if we right click on this, it went down to 24K. So that's quite a big jump down. So we saved a little bit of space there. So let's say you wanted to do a bulk migration of all of your images. You want to create, say, 1,000 images or move 1,000 images over to WebP, and you have PNG and JPEG images. So here we have both. We have PNG and JPEG, and so if we just want to run a simple script, just make sure you're in the command prompt and you are not actually in PowerShell. PowerShell will not work with this command if you want to do it this way. So we can just copy this command. I will leave this in the description so you'll have it easily. Just make sure you're in the right folder and hit enter. And this will actually go through and it'll make a new file that is the WebP format. So it's done now. Should be done. So if we say dir, you can see every image has been copied. And you can see how small the images are now for each one of these. We can actually go in. There's all of our WebP images. And here's all of our old images. So if we want, we can just delete all these guys and we will be left with a lot more space left over, so we can have a lot more space or a lot more images in our storage. If this video has been helpful, please give it a subscribe and a like. That'd be much appreciated. Thank you for watching.